everyone, the crafts you saw just now were cut and made by the fiber cutting machine behind me. Here's a look at the process. Select the cutting figure, adjust the macro connection parameters, and save the process. Use the remote control to observe the operation. Select the area and start cutting. This 1500 watt fiber cutting machine can cut stainless steel plate, aluminum alloy plate, electrolytic plate, carbon steel, and other types of metal plate. Using Shenzhen Changxin fiber laser and Switzerland Jiacheng professional laser cutting head, output high energy density, ultra-fine laser beam. The whole machine adopts high precision machining gantry structure, long-term stability, and not easy to deformation. X-axis stroke 1500 mm, Y-axis stroke 3000 mm, Z-axis stroke 220 mm. Double Japan Fuji servo motor drive with high precision rack and guide wheel truly achieve high-speed positioning, faster dynamic response of high-quality cutting. In addition, this machine can combine air as auxiliary gas to reduce the cost of consumables. Observe the cutting effect. The edge is smooth without burr, and the plate is flat and invisible.